Hi, dear Capricorn. A very, very good morning to you guys. And yeah, I have Messi here today, but I feel I'm looking good. So, yeah, dear Capricorn, this is a reading from 22nd till the 30th of November. And this is a reading, this is a journal reading. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey, okay? Now, let's start with your reading. Okay, this is reading from 22nd till 30th. I think I told you. Yeah. Let's see your partner's feelings for you, your person's feelings for you. You can say what they feel for you. Universe, please guide me. What Capricorn's partner is feeling for them, and the cards are like all over the place in my lap. Let's see. It's Five of Swords. Five of Swords. It's kind of ego battle kind of things going on, internal conflict going on, mind games going on, manipulation going on. So this person is not able to understand actually what they are feeling for you. Right? They are being manipulated by something or someone, or they are being in the space of I don't know what I feel. I want to feel good, but I am not feeling good. So right now this person is very very stressed. Okay, it's kind of you guys are not talking to each other. I think that you guys are not talking to each other, but this person is constantly thinking about this connection. They feel like there's something that is missing. Let me clarify the Five of Swords and their current feelings for you. Four of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, and the Five of Wands. My God, there are lots of fives, lots of five. Five of Swords, Five of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Four of Pentacles. Okay, so this person is, trying to control their feelings, trying to hide their feelings because they are feeling abandoned. They are feeling like they are having abandonment issues. They are having trust issues, and this person is not able to understand what to do with the conflict they are dealing with right now. They are trying to control their feelings, control their emotions for you, but they are not able to do that. They are constantly in pain. They are constantly in struggle. They are constantly in this phase of like somebody left them hanging on the wall, somebody left them without saying anything, or why did you left them. Right now this person is very very conflicted, very very depressed, you can say, and not able to decide what the actual fuck is happening with them. This is what is the, this is what they feel about this connection with you. Let me see what you feel about this connection, what you feel about this person, Capricorn. Let's see. Knight of Swords. It's like you're so on and off in this connection. One time you're running towards them, one time you're running behind them, other time you're like running away from them. It's like very on and off connection from your side. Even you are not able to decide what you feel about them. Okay, you feel like going them, rushing towards them and telling them and talking to them, but again you stop yourself. Then again you rush towards them, and again you stop yourself. Let me clarify what kind of conflicts are going on between you guys. What is happening, Capricorn? What is happening? What the actual shit is happening here? Let me see. Okay. I think you guys are at a distance with each other, right? Because this person is covering a distance and running on the road. Seven of okay, this is Seven of Wands and the Four of Swords in reverse and the Ten of Wands. What do you feel for them? You are trying to heal from the situation of the past. You are trying to stand on your ground, but you're not ready to give up on this situation. You feel like this. You are not ready to give up on this situation, although this is a painful situation, although healing is not done yet. You feel like not giving up and running towards them or rushing towards them again, stopping yourself. Restless energy. Both are restless right now. Both are not able to understand what is happening. Let me see what this person wants from you. Let me see what this person wants from you, Capricorn. What this person wants from you is Ten of Swords. They want you to end this conflict. Okay, they want you to end this conflict and come out of this conflicting state of mind and just get up and restart. There are a hell lot of swords here. You are definitely dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Hell lot of swords, hell lot of manipulation, hell lot of mind games, conflicts. See, your cards are falling down again and again. And even the universe is telling me that there is a hell lot of conflict in this reading. But anyhow, I have to do it, complete it. So let me see what do this person wants from you. This is Ten of Swords, and I have to clarify this. Clarify the Ten of Swords, please. The Lovers, the Eight of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. They want you, okay. They want you to end things with somebody else. This is for some of you. And for other people, who, if there's no third party situation here, for other people, I feel like they want you to restart the connection and ignite the passion, okay, and take a decision, take a solid decision. What they want from you is that they want you to come out of this conflicting state of mind, this betrayal state of mind, this hurtful situation that you guys had in past. Now they want you to walk away from the third party situation and take slow and steady step towards the future with them, okay. And for others of you, if there is no third party situation, they want you to take a solid decision of either commitment or walking away. They want you to take a solid decision regarding this connection. If you're walking away or if you're coming back, what you want to do. They want you to take a action. They want you to take a decision and stick to that. A solid decision. This is what they want from you. It's like somebody's walking away and somebody wants stability. Somebody's walking away because they want stability and long-term commitment connection. Okay, this is why might be somebody's walking. Might be you, might be them, I don't know. But there's someone who's walking away towards a stable future because they feel like this is not the connection for them. This is not the relationship with them. For them, sorry. So let's see. Let's see what do you want from this person. Ace of Pentacles. You want a brand new beginning in this connection. You want to offer a friendship kind of offer to this person. This is what you want from them. You want to restart this connection from a friendship level, and you want them to don't rush into anything, and let's see where it is going. This is the kind of energy that you are carrying. This is what you want from them. Let me clarify the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Emperor could be dealing with the Aries here, Queen of Wands, and the Six of Wands in reverse. You've taken a decision. Okay, you want them to take a decision, a solid decision. You want them to stay. You want them to be loyal and royal with them. You want this pair to work out. You want this connection to work out. Not thinking about the marriage part, not thinking about the stability part as of now, but you want this connection to work out because the Emperor is here and the Queen is also here. So you want this connection to restart, and you want this connection to work out, but from a surface level, from a friendship level, from a scratch level, you want to restart. You want to give this connection another chance. This is what you want from this person. Let me see what is coming towards you till 30th, what to expect from this person till the 30th, what action they are going to take towards you. Sorry. Let me see. Ten of Wands, not ready to give up. Ten of Wands, they are hell lot in pressure. They are in lots of pressure. They are feeling like they are in a very very much stressful situation, not able to decide anything. And I have to clarify the Ten of Wands because Ten of Wands is the card of taking a lot more responsibilities than you can handle. And this person is feeling like this relationship or this connection is a lot to handle, but they are not ready to give up on the situation. I don't see them giving up on the situation at all. Let me clarify. The World, the Four of Wands, and the Justice. Okay. I feel like they will come in and they will end a cycle with you, and a painful cycle with you, and they will do justice with the situation, with the stability part of this connection. So this is ending of a cycle and restart of a different cycle, restart of another cycle. Now this time this person is not ready to give up on the situation, although they want to complete the cycle or end the cycle from the past. Now they are looking for stability, now they are looking for marriage, now they are looking for long-term commitment, and if they are not going to get it from you, they will just walk away, I think, like that. So this person is coming in and they will be very clear with you that they want balance in their relationship, they want commitment in their relationship. You could be dealing with a Libra here because the Justice card is here. So this person is coming in, this person is communicating with you, and this person is telling you exactly what they want. They want stability and long term. That's why this person will come to you and they will try to restart the connection. If they are not going to get what they want from you, they will just walk away. This is their plan. Okay, so thank you, Capricorn, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.